It's pizza challenge! Welcome, fellow weirdos. I'm your host, Papa Za. Here at Weird Wild Pizza, we make weird pizza with wild sourdough. Check out the link below for our pizza dough recipe. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell to join the weirdest pizza quest in the galaxy. Pizza Challenge. A spicy mustard broccoli pizza. Challenged by Kyle.
Half a cup of yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon Tabasco sauce, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. Mix it up. Spicy mustard sauce. Dice half an onion. Chop broccoli into bite-sized pieces. One tablespoon of water. Steam for 2 to 3 minutes. Strain water carefully. Add olive oil, salt, pepper. Steam broccoli. Diced onions. Mozzarella cheese. Flour. Roll your dough. Flour lightly is needed. Flour your pizza peel and slide it under the dough. Half a cup of spicy mustard sauce. 2 cups mozzarella cheese. 2 cups steamed broccoli. Half cup diced onions. Pat down. Bake pizza at 550 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. Spicy mustard broccoli pizza.
Today's pizza challenger is Kyle. And we got a spicy mustard broccoli pizza. Some tanginess from the mustard. A little bit of heat as well. And that broccoli. Pizza challenge. Thanks for watching Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. If you got a pizza challenge, leave a comment below. And be sure to check out what's up next.